Today you're going to make a sculpture. Say sculpture. At your table, there's going to be a tray of paper strips. Say paper strips. Paper strips are long, thin pieces of paper. There's different colors and sizes. Put it in the middle so everyone can reach. You're also going to have glue. Say glue. You're going to get your own glue to share. The glue has a brush to put the glue on. When I choose a paper strip, I'm going to try to change it from two-dimensional and flat to three-dimensional and standing up. So our sculptures will be three-dimensional. Say three-dimensional or 3D. Let's see. How can I make my paper strips three-dimensional? One thing I can do is bend. Say bend. I can curve my shapes. I could make a circle. I could bend it onto each other. If I bend it like this, and I want it to stay right here, I'm going to put one dot of glue where I want it to stick. I'm going to lift up my brush and go wipe, wipe, wipe. Say it. Then I'm just going to go dot, put the brush back, and I'm going to bend it, press it on the glue, and putting my fingers on both sides, I'm going to squeeze and count to 10 in my head. Now it's staying together and it's three-dimensional. Let's do something else. Another thing I can do is twist. Say twist. I can take my paper and I can twist it and curl it around. Let's see. I'm going to glue it here. I'm going to pick up my brush and go wipe, wipe, wipe. Put a thick dot. Press it on, pinch it, count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, if it pops open like mine just did, that means I need to count 10 more seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so if it's not sticking, you have to add a little bit more glue and really hold it tight. The last thing you can do is fold your paper. Say fold. I can take one of my strips and I can fold it and squeeze it, and it's already starting to stand up. I can fold it back and forth. I can fold it any way I want. So let's see how we could add these pieces together. I want to add this to this. I can just go wipe, 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 a little dot or line of glue. Press it on, and I can combine pieces to make my sculpture big and add things on. My bended piece did not really stick, so I'm going to try to fix it, and I'm going to add it to the other piece here. So as you're working, keep bending, folding and twisting your paper and moving it around to make it three-dimensional. It's your turn to make your sculpture.